poncho. Hey, welcome to Hawkeye Marine. It's a new day, so we're gonna do something a little different. And anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing. If you need any parts, HawkeyeMarine.net. Alright, today we're gonna see if this thing is gonna become a donor motor. So yeah, what? Anyway, I gotta get all this stuff up there so we can look at what's under here and make sure it's still a good motor. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Alright, it's not as bad as you think it is. He had it covered up, you know, pretty good. So we got our area clean so that, like, when he gets back or whatever, we're going to hook this thing up and basically disconnect the fuel. Make sure it still turns over. Which, you know, if my tool wouldn't have broke the other day, then I could just even jump in here and see if that works. But I think you know, put some juice down the yapper there, maybe let that socialize. And I'm kind of channeling Derek. Sorry, but he is pretty funny, and he's got some great little sayings, and we've all learned a lot of stuff from him. So you know, thank you, Derek. Even though, like, ever since I was a kid, I did something similar, but never with these engines, never with an outboard. And this one, we're gonna check out, make sure it's a good engine, and then kind of go from there. But you know, they got the Outdrive, or the, well, you know, the lower unit part of it off. But it looks like a pretty decent. And then my customer has a really good one, so, or it looks, or appears to be. I'm gonna have to follow Shea's lead on this. He's the professional. Anyway, I got this done, and so now I have to go back home and make another pot of coffee, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, we got stuff all back in here too. You know, you guys need a boat? There's a boat, and even a few sea dids, or whatever they are. We got Poncho over here where he's repainting some gel coat on, ain't you? Looks pretty good, dude. But he doesn't want to be on camera. He's shy. He doesn't want that. Big old boat. Anyway, they're working on that. Guys, I should have had my camera rolling. Anyway, starting this up after winter.
The choke's not working. This is happening. Open up the throttle a little bit.
Can you get it down there in that throttle plate? There you go. It ain't pulling fuel up. Here, let me get out there. Get out of your way. There we go. Now we got water. That's Shea, by the way. And I forgot your name. Steve. Yeah. Mercruiser off of one. Alright, we're gonna throw a battery in this.
Yeah, that sucker.
Alright, see if it doesn't burn down.
Yeah, that battery was reading that it's bad though.
We gotta see if it, you know, if it's not locked up. Make sure it's not locked up. I need a ladder, dude. Alright, we took the fuel filter out. We don't need it sucking up from this piece of crap tank. Probably almost need to, if it does fire, we're gonna need to blow this off. But we got a battery in here, and we're bleeding. That's nice. That's all right. Put a jump pack on it. Hooked up a remote start, and just to see. Oh yeah.
Yep.
I think she's locked up.
Yep. I would say so. I don't think that one's coming back. That chaparral is way nicer boat. I don't know. Even if that motor was good, we'd take it out of it. A newer chaparral.
Okay.
Well, might be on the hunt for a motor. Actually, we'll just take the drive off of this one and see if it'll come off. The upper, I mean, we already took the lower off of it.
Come on. Dang it.
But even if it is seized, you got power to it. Should be able to jump this.
So that motor's no good, but we're going to take this drive off because it's salvageable. Yeah, we couldn't get the pump, the motor to work, so we're just taking the rams off, and we dropped it. And anyway, just waiting for Shea to tell me what to do next. You just leave the anode on, or you take it off?
What's that?
The anode?
On the bottom plate down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta take it off?
No, you don't have to. That's the anode for the hydraulic lines.
You got a pan?
I got also.
I don't know wherever they go, so. Yeah, I discovered there's a drive lock.
It's always something.
That one down there?
Yeah, I'm just thinking about
You're just waiting.
that lot. If I have that or not. I don't think I have that.
You got the old gas torch.
I got a sawzall. Or a grinder.
Probably a grinder. Only problem is, like, then how are you gonna get, like, yeah, a sawzall? I guess probably you're right. So it doesn't just, this stuff I don't know about. It is kind of soft metal.
Yeah, it's aluminum. Oh, I got something done.
Well, we're just screwing around over here. Put this lower unit on for this guy, and he did a bunch of work, painted it, all kinds of stuff. It's not just me. It's like, check out this Runout. You see how it's just wobbling? So that's a bummer. He's like, oh man. So we looked to see if he had another lower unit. We either grab the prop shaft out of it, you know. But yeah, that no worky. So yeah, what do? You get parts for it. I wish you could smell it. We can smell the paint. Just hang it out. Thanks for watching all the way through. You're part of our awesome community. Love this video? Hit subscribe for more adventures. The best way to support us is at HawkeyeMarine.net. Shop outboard powerheads, lower units, and top quality boat parts. It fuels our content and keeps you on the water. Visit today. We'll see you next time.